Hi peaches, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a while, but I'm back and I'm back for good. It's 2019 and we've got to up our protective styling game, and I'm here to show you a series of styles you can rock this year and beyond. I'm going to gel my hair down with this Eco Styler gel. I've already washed and conditioned my hair. Please make sure you moisturize your hair before this style. As you know, 4C hair is not the easiest to manage when it comes to styling. Useful tip for you, especially with styles that require you to tie your hair together like in a pony, is to gel your hair down in smaller sections, because this will help the hair to lay as flat as it can be. I use this olive oil hair serum to add a bit of shine to my hair, then tied it up to tame all the flyaway hair down as I wait for the hair to completely dry. As you can see, I look so tired, so let's go to bed and I'll see you in the morning. Well, I had a bit of rest, but as you can see from the background, I recorded this video during the Christmas holidays, so I am still very tired. But hey, the hair is dried and we are going to do our protective style. Here I am covering my hair with the hair extensions. You can use any kinky or afro braiding hair of your choice to achieve this style. Use the desired hair extensions you want in terms of volume, depending on how big or small you want the whole style to appear or look. Now use an elastic band to attach the hair extensions to your own hair, then shape as desired and pin down as I'm going to show you. What I would do next time though is to take some time to fluff the hair, because I feel it will be much more easier to manipulate the hair if you take some time to fluff it.
Like a Hellcat.
Again, take some hair extensions, pin it in the middle and close to the pattern as possible, like so. Now bring the other side of the hair extensions to cover the bobby pin, twist and shape to give the illusion that the hair is coming from your scalp. Please watch from here and see what I'm going to do.
Faster. Coming like a Hellcat.
Take again hair extensions, but this time please don't fold it, because you would need the hair to be long enough to complete the style. Pin, twist to cover your hair as I'm doing right now. Please watch and see for yourself.
my style. Running like a hell.
What I'm doing right now is to cover or position the pins so they are not visible. Then do all the finishing touches by tapping the hair in, placing them where you want, and then finishing off by fixing your edges. We are now good to go. I think this hair looks so gorgeous. What do you think? I'd like to know your thoughts. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so because I have amazing videos coming up. And also don't forget to turn on the notification button so you don't miss anything from me. Thank you so much and I'll see you in my next one.
Running like a hellcat.